My name's Ashley Hill. I'm a partner at the law firm of GRT Lawyers. I'm the head of our litigation and disputes team. Our firm does not specialise in employment law, but often from time to time we would be working on matters that may have an aspect that involves employment law, and in those circumstances then I contact HKT Law to advise. Well, I guess they say that referral is the best form of endorsement, and HKT Law, and Melanie in particular, was referred to me by somebody else in the industry, another lawyer. Well, interestingly, we tried a number of other lawyers before we settled with HKT Law, and I guess one of the critical parameters for us in terms of service and quality of service is responsiveness, and HKT Law provided it. Look, I think from the outset, Melanie went to great lengths to make sure that she understood the problem and the advice that we were seeking, and in essence replicates the type of service which we provide, which is outcomes focused. Well, I think Melanie obviously has expertise in a number of different areas, in and around the sort of the employment law field, and I guess from my perspective, I could rely upon her entirely in terms of providing her advice across a whole raft of different issues within the employment law field. For example, restraint of trade, workers' compensation, confidentiality, those sorts of issues which crop up invariably. Look, I think from the outset, Melanie was able to give me a clear assessment of the deliverable, the outcomes, and the cost associated with that, and it met with all expectations. So she delivered the work on time and at the estimated price that she'd originally indicated. Well, Melanie is a complete professional, but at the same time she's amiable and friendly, and I didn't have any issue with being able to pick up the phone and call her, morning, noon, night, in regards to seeking advice on different matters. I took great confidence from the fact that I could pick up the phone at any time and speak to Melanie and know that she would provide that response in short turnaround. Great value. She provides all the expertise and the advice at exceptional value. The real standout from her sort of service point of view is responsiveness. My experience was excellent because the process was pretty painless. I mean, I'm practicing as a lawyer myself, so I'm effectively subcontracting work to Melanie, in her discrete field of expertise. It was really quite an easy process in terms of briefing her with the necessary material, and a couple of phone calls, and in a very short period of time she turned it around and come back to us with the advice we required. I mean, what I like about Melanie is I feel that we're getting quality advice with excellent response times for value, and the value that she offers, I think, is probably second to none in the Brisbane marketplace at least.